If you have ever wanted to run your automation workflows on your own server without any monthly limits, then today is the day for you. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to self-host N8N on Hostinger. Step by step, even if you are not a DevOps wizard. So let's get your automation setup running like a pro on your terms under your control. So now we are going to take a look at how we are going to self-host the N8N. There are different ways with which you can self-host N8N on different servers, but the easiest way is to use Hostinger. And I'll be guiding you how you can very easily use Hostinger to set up your N8N account. So what you need to do, you need to go on to hostinger.com. You will come to this page, and then you need to click on services, and down at the bottom you will see self-hosted N8N. So then you will come to this page, and it will give you the different plans which you can use. So the starting plan is for $4.99 per month, and then it goes up to $19.99 per month. And the difference is between the CPU cores and the RAM. So the higher the plan is, the more RAM you have, it's going to go less slow, and it's going to, you have more resources from a Hostinger to host your workflows. So if you're a heavy user, if you want to build some complex automations, then I recommend going for the plan second and above. But for this demo purpose, we'll choose this $4.99 plan. We click on here, and then it comes to the cart page. So here you will see the period 12 months, 24 months, 1 month. And for this demo purpose, I'll choose 1 month plan. And right now you're seeing the amount in Indian rupees, but it is $4.99 per month plan. And then there are various options like daily auto backup. You don't need that. Then you have to select the server location. So the server location should be the one which is close to your base location from where you'll be using N8N. Since I'm based in India, so I'll be choosing India here. And then it says operating system. So here you just have to select N8N, which is pre-selected here. And then you need to click on continue. And here you will fill in your information, and then click on continue. So you will have the options to pay using credit card. In India, we have UPI, and then we have PayPal and also EMIs. So I'll be going with the card payment option. So once the payment is done, you will come to this page, and here you need to set up your root password. So let me just do that right now. And then we click on next. Okay, we click on finish setup, and then it's setting up the VPS. It may take 5 minutes. So I'll pause the video here, and once this is done, I'll come back. So now the VPS setup is done, and you will come to this page which says VPS dashboard, manage VPS, SSH access. So let's click on manage VPS, and here you will see for personal reasons, it's what do you plan, save. Okay, and then you will come to this screen, and here in the middle you will see your server information, and on the left side you have all these different options like Kodi, AI assistant, settings, OS and panel, backup and monitoring, where you can back up your instance, API, DNS manager, and tutorials. So then what we have to do is we just need to click on manage app, and then we need to set up our account. Or we can select I want to receive security and product updates. Click next, and then it will ask you some questions. So we'll just select all these. and then you will see get paid features for free forever. I'll skip this, and you're logged in to your N8N account. So this is the dashboard, and from here you can create your workflows by connecting different applications, which I'll be covering in another video. And that's it. Your self-hosted N8N instance on Hostinger is now live. If you found this video useful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video.